Hello! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening saan man po kayo dako ng mundo. I hope you're okay. I noticed na marami sa inyo ang interested, pero I can feel that there is a hesitation or reservation on your side kasi nga siguro hindi niyo naiintindihan talaga what is forex trading. So let me try to explain it briefly in this short video. Okay? We'll take the exchange rate of a peso and US dollar. So ang peso US exchange rate last month or 1 month ago was 56. Now it is around 58. So basically yun yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. We are speculating if this exchange rate will either go up or go down, right? So ano ba ang dapat nating gawin, right? If we think that tataas yung presyo, then we enter a buy trade. If we think na babagsak yung presyo, we enter a sell trade. Okay, but when do we enter a buy? When do we enter a sell? When do we know whether the chart will go in this direction or not, right? So meron po tayong mga tools na kailangan gamitin dyan, which is the fundamental and technical analysis. So I will not go into the details of both fundamental and technical analysis, but briefly, fundamental analysis is the macroeconomic aspect or analysis of a particular country or currency, or everything that is affecting that currency pair. Ang technical analysis naman po is the study of the charts. Like using some patterns in the charts, it will give you some indications on how or where the chart direction will go. Okay? Now, as far as prices go, these are heavily influenced by the players, by the institutional players, to be more precise. So there are two types of players: the institutions, which are the banks, the funds, and the corporation. And then meron po yung katulad natin, which are individual players, which frankly speaking, we don't move the needle in terms of trading in the stock market. These are the banks, the institutions that really move the needle. They really make these big swings in the prices, be it going up or going down. Okay? Now, of course, there are risks here, and this is very important to emphasize. But this risk could be mitigated by a proper trading strategy and a proper risk management. Okay, again, our goal is capital preservation. So hopefully, at the end of the day, you will win some, you will lose some, but you win more. So the end of your balance for the day is a positive balance. Then accumulate that on a daily basis. Then you will accumulate your profits. So yun po ang forex trading. We can go to the details on how this is. And again, by signing up as a client, you can receive signals whether to buy or to sell. Are these signals accurate? There is a high probability that they are correct, but there is also a probability that they are wrong. So like, because no one can really predict the future, but the point here is there are more chances of winning in the stock market in the forex trading market if you are part of a community so that we can all help each other and profit from this very, very lucrative opportunity. $1 trillion po ang nagte-trade dito or exchange hands on a daily basis. So it's up to us to tap this, and I hope you get on board at wag po kayong matakot, just as long as you invest what you are willing to risk and to lose. All right? Thank you. Bye.